In this video, we are going to see how we can create the bookmark folders in Google Chrome so that you can stay organized with your bookmarks. As you can see here, I have this bookmarks bar and I have a subfolder named bookmark folder. We click on that and we are able to see all of our essential bookmarks sitting right here. So let's see how we can create one for ourselves. First of all, let me just show you from start. Open up Google Chrome and I'll just land on the main search page. From here, we click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the bookmarks and list. And from here, we will choose Open Bookmark Manager. Click on that. And you should be able to see your bookmark bar on the left and any other folder that you have created. Now, if we want to create a bookmark folder in the bookmarks bar, as you can see here, this is the bookmark bar and these are the separate folders that we can create in this bookmark bar. So all the folders will be organized with their essential websites or whatever you want to access. And let's see how we can create another folder like a test folder. All we have to do is just click on the bookmark bar, make sure this one is selected, and in the white space, you'll just right click here and click on add new folder. This is test folder. Just in case, click on save. And as you can see under this bookmark bar, now we have another folder. Now, how do we bookmark or put different websites within this folder? That's very simple to do. All we have to do is just access the website first. Let's say youtube.com, and we want to put it there. What we do is click on the star next to it in the URL, and you can save it to the bookmark bar directly or to the test folder. I'll just save it to the test folder. And as you can see, now it's added right here. So let's actually quickly add all the social media websites here. We click on this. We want to save it in the test folder. And now we have two. Similarly, let's access Instagram and we can save this as well. Click on the star and we want to save it to the test folder. Done. And all of these websites are now saved in the test folder. Now, if you want to open all of them, let's say that you quickly want to start your day and access all of the essential websites that you use daily in your office or at your work. What you do is just right click on that and open all three, either in the new window, in incognito window, in the new tab. You have all of these options. So I'll just select simple open all three, and right away it will open up all the websites for you. This makes the work very convenient in Google Chrome. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.